So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable tap to wake on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Advanced Features. From here, tap on Motions and Gestures, and then you should see this option, double tap to turn on screen. So to disable it, because currently it's enabled, just tap on the toggle, and it means now whenever you double tap on your screen, whenever it's off, you won't be able to wake up your phone. However, if you decide to turn it on like that, it means whenever your screen is dark like this, all it needs is a double tap and you can access your lock screen, and from there you can go on to unlock your phone. So you don't necessarily need the side button to wake your screen. So now it's up to you to decide if you want to leave this function enabled or disabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.